Today we're going to talk about just a fun way to use plaster of Paris with anything you've got. So I did a bunch of different projects and we did do one tutorial. This right here, what I did is I used a tube and I dipped it in plaster of Paris and I glued it to a base and just added some of my mold. This one is actually just a jar, and when you dip it, it paints so nice, and I added molds to it. Here's another jar with just a little mold. This is the tutorial that we have out there, and we use these that we dipped in there. This one right here, we just thought we would try and play. It's just a wood board, and I wrapped string around the four corners. I dipped it in plaster of Paris and painted it and made it into a frame. You could maybe take some burlap, wrap it around a jar, dip it, you'll get some fun texture. So whatever it is that you have, and you have plaster of Paris, you can come up with something new for almost anything. Have fun, guys.